So now let us understand about the advantages of Docker. Docker provides several advantages for developers and the system administrators, making it a popular choice for containerization. So let us see one by one. So the first thing being consistency and reproducibility. So what happens is Docker ensures that the application run the same way regardless of where they are deployed, be it on the developer's laptop, a testing environment, or a production server. So this gives the environment consistency. Then it is also going to help eliminate works on my machine problem. By packaging applications with all their dependencies, Docker ensures consistent behavior across different environments. Moving on, we have efficiency and resource optimization. So Docker containers share the host OS kernel. We already understood about that, making them more lightweight than traditional virtual machines. So this results in faster startup times and reduced overhead. Then comes resource utilization too. So containers use resources more efficiently, allowing higher density and better utilization of hardware. Moving on, we have portability. Docker containers can run on any system that supports Docker, including various Linux distributions, Windows, macOS. So this thereby gives cross-platform compatibility. Then, applications packed in containers can be easily moved across different environments and platforms, and hence it gives easy migration. Next comes the scalability and rapid deployment. So, Docker containers can be started very quickly, which is beneficial for scaling applications up and down rapidly in response to demand. So, thereby it gives rapid or fast deployment. Then, Docker facilitates the development and deployment of microservices, allowing different parts of an application to be developed, tested, and deployed independently. Thereby, it is very useful in microservice architecture. Then comes isolation and security. So, containers provide process and resource isolation, ensuring that the applications run in their own environments without affecting each other. Then comes isolating the applications. So Docker can enhance security by minimizing the attack surface. Then you have simplified management and maintenance. So Docker makes it easy to update applications by simply replacing containers. So rollbacks are also straightforward, as you can switch to a previous container version if needed. Then you have the simplified dependency part. All dependencies are packed within the container, eliminating the need for complex dependency management on the host system. So these are the few advantages of Docker. Now that we have learned a lot about Docker, we will next proceed to a hands-on Docker lab, where you will be able to see all theory in practice. See you there.